Dear children, in this video, let us study about basic concepts of drawing and painting. What is drawing and painting? Drawing and painting is about expressing our feelings and ideas through lines and colors. Drawing and painting is a universal language that is not a subject to the confine of any language. Drawing and painting is the earliest language of humanity, and it is a character script. Drawing and painting. We need three things that are important in drawing and painting: imagination, introduction of lines, subjects of drawing and painting. There are important 6 subjects in drawing and painting. They are memory drawing, model drawing, nature drawing, geometrical design drawing, lettering and scale drawing, and freehand drawing. There are also other subjects in drawing and painting: geometry drawing, story illustration, craft, collage, clay modeling, etc. Basic steps of drawing and painting: place, point, line, shape, figure, shade and light, and color. Place. The flat space used to write the image or the specific area is the place. Point. A point is a small dot which has no dimension. Line. The path of moving points is called a line. Let us see about types of lines are straight line, parallel lines, zigzag line, dotted line, chain line, curved line, vertical line, horizontal line, oblique line, thick line, and thin line. Shape. Shapes are created by lines. See the examples. Figure. Shapes from a figure. A figure is not unique without shapes. Shade and light. What is shade and light? When light falls on the object, the variations in the tone is called shade and light. Let us see the shade and light picture. You can get ideas about shading. Sun, there are objects are there. Sun rays or sunlight falls on the object. We can see the light tone, dark tone, middle tone, highlight tone, and cast shadows. These are the variations. Here an example black and white picture. About colors. Color is an important object in art. We have to study about colors because each color has a unique quality and character. Newton's colors disc is a disc on which 7 component colors of white light are painted. As it is rotated at high speed, it appears white, suggesting the white light comprises of 7 colors. White light is a mixture of 7 colors. They are not seen by naked eyes. The effect of glass prism is only to separate the 7 colors of white light. The dispersion of sunlight is provided by nature in the form of a rainbow. There are 3 main colors. They cannot mix with any other colors, and they are natural or first colors. They are called primary colors. They are red color, blue color, and yellow color. These 3 colors are very important and primary colors these are. Okay. Secondary color. Secondary colors are created by intermixing pairs of primary colors. There are 3 colors. They are 2 primary colors are there, red and yellow. If you mix together, you can get the orange color. And you have blue plus yellow. Both colors are primary. If you mix together, you can get the green color. Here, red plus blue. If you mix together, you can get the purple or violet color. Orange, green and purple. These are the secondary colors. Tertiary colors. What is tertiary colors? Tertiary colors are created by intermixing pairs of secondary colors. There are 3 colors. They are orange plus purple. Mixed together, can get a brown color. Next, purple and green color. If you mix together, we can get a slate color. If you green and orange color, if you mix together, you can get a greenish brown color. Brown color, slate color and greenish brown color. These are the tertiary colors. Warm or hot colors. Warm colors consist of orange, red and yellow, and combination of these and similar colors. As the name indicates, they make you think of warm things such as sunlight and heat. Cool or cold colors. Cool colors consist of blue, green and purple. They are calm and smooth. Where warm colors reminds you of heat and sunshine, cool colors reminds you of water and sky, even ice and snow. Transparent colors. The colors that shows the background as glass are transparent colors. Generally, all colors are transparent colors. Colors transparency can be seen when you mix water in any colors and put it on paper. Just see the example. You can see a green and pink colors. Behind color also can appear. Here also in leaves are here. You can see the behind leaves color also can appear. This is a transparent color. Opaque color. Opaque colors originate from mixing white with transparent colors. Opaque colors are prepared by mixing blue water, diamond, glycerin, etc. with color powder. You can see the example. We cannot see the behind the pictures. Contrasting color or opposite colors. All the three primary colors are opposite colors to one another. Similarly, red and black, black and white, and red and green are also contrasting colors. Complementary colors. The most familiar complements are the primary, red, blue or yellow, and its opposite, secondary, green, orange or purple respectively. A secondary is made by mixing two primaries. If you start with red, the remaining primaries are blue and yellow, which when mixed produce green. Red and green are a set of complements. Analogous colors. If a primary colors is mixed in common, that is originated by two secondary colors, are called analogous colors. Here, blue color primary, green color secondary, blue plus yellow, and purple color red plus blue. Here blue, in this here blue is a common. That's why blue, green and purple colors are analogous colors. Red color primary color, orange secondary color, red and yellow, and purple secondary color. Here blue plus red. Here red and here red. Red, orange and purple colors are analogous color. Yellow color, green color, yellow plus blue, orange, yellow plus red. Here yellow and here also yellow is a common. That's why yellow, green and orange are analogous colors. Tone. Color fluctuations are called shading or tone. Dark and light shade are the fluctuation of tones. Tint. If you mix white in any color, you can get tint color. Shade. A shade is color mixed with black. Codes of colors. Red indicates danger, revolution, anger, first aid, love, fire, violence. Blue indicates vastness, respectable, responsible, calm down, peace. Yellow, happiness, blessings, faith, greatness, fraud, cheating. Orange indicates sacrifice, comfortable, offering, courage, happiness. Green, prosperity, nature, the creation of nature. Purple, authority, wealth, opportunity, majesty, sadness, robbery. Brown, dullness, nature, healthy, pleasant. White, peace, delight, cleanliness, loyalty, pure, non-violent, holy. Thank you.